This video explains how to connect the video creation cloud to your YouTube channel. Here we start at YouTube. After you log into YouTube Studio, you can add playlists and content. In this case, the channel is empty, as you can see. We have just created a test playlist, but we haven't added any videos to it yet. We now switch to the video creation cloud. After you log in and navigate to the settings, select Cartridge Service Settings. There are two types of cartridge services to choose from: translation settings and publication settings. From the publication settings, we choose YouTube and authenticate the YouTube connector next. So you add your YouTube or Google account details. In the next step, you will need to verify these details. This makes the APIs of the VCC and YouTube connect. After this verification process has been completed successfully, you can actually access the structure of your YouTube channel from within the VCC. Next, you select the VCC accounts that can publish to this specific YouTube channel. This way, you manage and control what videos can be published where, and even enable connecting multiple YouTube channels to one video creation cloud. After finishing the initial setup, I now publish the first video to YouTube via the video creation cloud. I use this how to delete a product video as an example. After selection, I click on the Publish button. A new screen appears where I can edit the video details and select which YouTube playlists I want to add my video to. Also, I can select whether the video will be publicly visible or stay in private mode for the moment. After finishing the settings, I publish the video with one mouse click. I can also do this for multiple videos at the same time. After sending the files and their details to YouTube, YouTube will start to process it all and provide the video creation cloud with its feedback on whether the process has been completed. It will also indicate whether the video is live on YouTube and enable you to play the YouTube-hosted video from within the VCC to watch the result. We switch back now to my YouTube Studio and refresh the page. We now see that the How to Delete a Product video from the Video Creation Cloud has arrived here, with all its metadata, and based on the correct settings. YouTube also receives or creates its starting image and renders various qualities of the video. It's also added the video to the selected playlist. Being back in the Video Creation Cloud, I still see the published video. But from here, I can also delete the video from YouTube. It only takes a little while before I get the message back from YouTube that one publication was deleted successfully. And indeed, at YouTube, you now see, after refreshing the page, that the video has disappeared. In short, this is how the Video Creation Cloud and YouTube work seamlessly together.